I can't hear you. I said hello, Burnside. Author of 2 books. She is a national speaker. She is a former Miss Wheelchair USA, yep. And we've been married for over 12 years now. Give a big welcome, Burnside, to
My name is Tasha Shu, and I am a speaker, author, and a resilience expert.
What I am saying is that we choose to have a positive attitude, that we can do amazing things. We could do more than we ever thought we could.
I would recommend Doug and Tasha. I think that they have a really good, serious message that is interspersed with some fun, and it really is it's a good way to learn for kids.
This is a teamwork activity, so you guys are gonna have to work in teams with your classmates. I used to be a TV weatherman a long time ago, many years ago, and I love thunderstorms. We're gonna do an activity called the rainstorm. 4th graders, I want you to snap your fingers. Harder! Perfect example of teamwork. When you guys work together with your friends and classmates, amazing things can happen. Our presentation today is called Build Your Brave. Build Your Brave is all about sharing 3 different ways that kids can be brave, different methods that they can be brave. Yes. Okay. One is just a mindset. Instead of saying, no, I can't do this, saying, yes, I can do this.
And if you want to prove me wrong, I'm going to challenge you to stop saying, no, I can't. He looked at me and he said, I want you to use the phrase, yes, I can.
One of my favorite pieces is the yes, I can. The biggest thing is it's applicable to everybody, and that is a phrase that I've heard kids speaking as they're returning to class, that yes, I can.
That one single phrase, yes, I can, changed my life.
The second one is just really taking chances, and you have to be brave in order to take chances. I actually started to talk in front of people. And then the third is teaching kids at an earlier age that kindness really does matter. Put together, we thought that this would be a perfect presentation.
My favorite part of the presentation was talking just about the 3 things that we can do, the 3 easy steps. I think it's really important to talk about the take little chances, because those smaller chances just lead into bigger and better things for people. I just think that that message is really important.
And hope with those around you by your simple acts of kindness.
Students see me in my wheelchair with my disability. They can just see, man, if she can do it, so can I. And that is my hope in sharing our Build Your Brave message, is that students would be inspired, they would empower to not only take action in their lives, to overcome and to really persevere no matter what they're facing or will face. When I was a junior in high school, I had the ability to be a part of my high school musical production. I was standing on stage when from directly behind me, they removed the cover off of the trapdoor on stage. Took one step backward, and it was the last step I ever took. I did struggle with depression. I did struggle with a lot of hard things, as you can only imagine. But today I have persevered and done more sitting in this wheelchair than I ever thought possible. And today I love my life. And I love sharing that.
Build your brave and take tiny chances and overcome your fears. Lainey, do you think you could do amazing things?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have spoken to over 100,000 students.
This is just what we do. We love doing this. We love impacting students. We love seeing smiles. We love seeing fist bumps and receiving those.
So our area of focus is in the Midwest, but we go anywhere. And if the school invites us, we will be there because we really feel that every student needs this message and that we can empower and inspire your students in a very powerful way.